Just a hop, skip and a jump away awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise. With a restaurant right on the beach, you can enjoy a meal to the sounds of the sea. The numerous hammocks let you simply sway in the sea breeze. But a holiday isn't all cocktails on the beach. Spend a tranquil afternoon on the waters with a pedalo. For lovers of marine life, an afternoon of snorkeling can make anyone's day. Of course, the nearby attractions are a must-see. These options and activities make this a great choice for families or friends. Is this beach calling your name? Then it's time to start packing.